Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread using a steaming method. This technique yields an incredibly moist and tender loaf, offering a delightful alternative to oven-baked versions. We'll cover the essential ingredients, including very ripe bananas for maximum sweetness, and the simple equipment needed to get started. Get ready to discover a new favorite way to enjoy this classic treat. Creating the perfect batter is key for a delicious steamed banana bread. Start by mashing about 3 or 4 very ripe bananas until smooth. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients such as eggs, a 1/4 cup of oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Combine your dry ingredients, including 1½ cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, before gently folding everything together. Now for the steaming technique. First, fill a large pot with about 2 inches of water and bring it to a boil. While the water heats, prepare your loaf pan or individual molds by greasing and lightly flouring them. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the prepared container. Place it into your steamer basket, ensuring the water does not touch the bottom of the pan, and steam for about 60 to 75 minutes. Once steamed, check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Carefully remove the pan from the steamer and let the banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to firm up before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve this wonderfully moist and tender banana bread warm or at room temperature for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.